Okay, we are here at Hendricks Hall at Edinboro University, and look at this elevator. This is a vintage Stover, but sadly, it's defunct.
And as you can see up here, you even have the old school fixtures. And read this note over here.
Pause if you want to read it. Alright, I wish this elevator was in service because look at this button. It looks kind of old school.
Yeah, and I guess when the Schindler 330 was added way over there, this one went out of service.
Yeah, and the panel must have been ripped out from where it's supposed to be, because as you can see, there's a hole underneath what is presumably a fire alarm.
Yeah, so with that said, EPIC fail.